Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error Alt plus tab not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select Restart. If you don't find it here, then you can scroll down to the background processes. The second solution is to check the multitasking settings. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. Now go to the System tab and scroll down, select Multitasking. There's an option here which says Show tab apps when snapping or pressing between Alt plus tabs. It should not be selected, do not show tabs, okay? And this should not be selected at, this can be selected anything, but this should not be selected at do not show tabs, okay? Or snap window should not be disabled. If it doesn't work despite this, then it's an issue with system files. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.